Welcome back to another awesome video. Today we are looking at the JVC CA-NX-MD1.
That's a lot of letters. Techmoan recently did a video and he talked about a micro tower hi-fi and basically just avoid it because it's junk. I want to see if I agree with him. And also, it was only 13 bucks and this has got a mini disc player in it. So if I can get the mini disc player working, it's going to be a great deal because mini disc players, even used, are outrageously expensive right now. So this is an early 2000s micro hi-fi system and it's got CD and MD, no tape. And looking at the stickers on it, I'd say this looks like probably it was used maybe in college.
Why does it say explosive on?
Was that Monster Energy drink sticker?
Hey, that's a good drink.
We've got AFI, which I think is a band. And then over here we got the American flag. So if I was gonna guess, I'd say this was probably in somebody's dorm room. Parents gave it to Goodwill or something. I don't know, it may not work. What have we got on the back? Oh yeah, so you can hook up speakers. Is that a line output? We got line in and line out. So, and it's pretty compact, pretty dusty. Looks like the mini disc thing goes in up there. I guess there's a display that comes on. There's a door down at the bottom. Yeah, what is that? That looks like headphones and a USB audio.
What's this?
Oh, that's the CD tray. First thing I need to do is find a power cord and see if it works.
And then no power cord came with this?
Nothing came with it. But let's hope the sticker is not true to its name, explosive. Oh, we got a red light. No. Ooh, did it light up? Something lit up. Let me zoom in a little bit.
FM 187.
You know, it looks like USB line, MD eject, power, record level, record start. Then you've got play, pause, CD, play, pause, FM, AM. Let's see if we get the FM radio working before I mess with the CD.
Get tickets now at 1027kissfm.com.
All right, so it works. The radio and amplifier circuits seem to work, although I don't see any way to adjust the tone or anything.
functionhealth.com/scans.
No required
Just push it.
no trial periods, no surprise charges, no monthly fee. When you're
CD?
home,
CD, play. There we go.
The first song is Wish You Were Here.
Yeah, it's working. Let's see if it'll scan. It's working fine. Tuner works, amplifier works, CD works. Now the moment of truth. Does the mini disc work? Let's try the mini disc.
What's on the mini disc?
I don't know. You watch our last video on the other JVC mini disc player. All right, it accepted the mini disc. Yeah, it's working. All right, are we recording? This is from our other video where we recorded some stuff on a mini disc.
Called her up, I got my jewels. I asked her out, I got my jewels.
I tell him yes, I got my tools.
Okay, it works.
American woman has a look all her own. Out in a crowd or just being alone. A fit that's right. Seen her jeans with the American way of life.
We're going to test mini disc recording. So in order to do that, I'm going to record a little segment from our custom album Common Ground by ACB Memphis, which is available for purchase. Go ahead and start the record player, and there's an MD record button. So press that MD record, you see, or record start. Yeah, press that. All right, press stop on the thing.
Is that it?
Did you press stop? I can't see what it... Oh, it's still recording. How do you stop it? Hang on, press the record button again. Okay, it says writing. What'd you do? Let me stop the record. So that, what'd you click?
I clicked that.
Stop button? Okay. I can't get it to play back the recording, and it may be because I need to press something to finalize it. Another interesting discovery is that my 1996 JVC CD changer remote does work with the mini disc, and I could change tracks by pressing the forward and back buttons.
The Rick D's weekly top.
So I could change that. Those work with the CD, I guess.
Pretenders on American Top 40 with this week's highest debuting record.
After some cleanup with air and light dousing of Windex, this thing seems like it's in great shape. Now, to answer the original question, Would this be a pain to work on? We need to take off the cover and see what's waiting inside. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Oh, there's a fan in there.
It looks like a computer, an old computer in there.
Yeah. It does have a similar form factor. It definitely is packed in there. Yeah, it would be hard to work on. So Techmoan was probably right. If these things are broken, we require a lot of digging to fix them. The MD is at the top, but right now everything's working. While it would be nice to dig in there and make the display brighter, I think the best bet is just to use it as a component or try to find the remote and get more control over it. So here I've got it hooked up to my main system without speakers, just using the line input and output, sort of like a cassette deck. And it's an interesting footprint. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It takes up not as tall as an album. I mean, so it might fit in certain configurations. I haven't been able to do is record to a mini disc, but I brought back out the JVC XU301, which is the only other mini disc player I own. Let's see if I can play back anything or get any further with the mini disc I recorded in here in this. Disc error. So has this gone bad? Let's try a different mini disc. Make sure this thing hadn't gone bad. TOC reading. Mix. Okay, so it can read this. So it looks like the active recording on this new device without finalizing has made it where I can't play it in here anymore. That's interesting. Let's try it one more time just to make sure. I wonder if that has to do with this being an MD-LP device. That says MD-LP. This one is older, maybe it's just mini disc. But let's see, if I put this back in here, loading, reading. Of course you can't see it because the display is dead, but it's thinking. Yeah, it has no problem. Playing, showing the titles. Interesting. So I need to get this to either record it in an older mode maybe or finalize the disc. If you have any ideas, leave a comment.
We'll see you next time for another awesome video.
Bye.